lips. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. Cause I don't wanna waste my time. Same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not
So guys, we're back going out now. This time is this 11:30. So we're going out to eat. I'll take you guys just around the hotel. I don't know, I'm going to take permission from them if I have the right to film here. You never can tell. So guys, that is it all. Tomorrow morning I'll film. Okay, I'm glad. From here I'll be going to another destination, which I'm going to take you guys along as well, guys. It's holidays time.
The sky is blue, the sun is high. Sitting here on my own, I think of you, you're on my mind, you know. To me that's alright. Green grass on my neighbor's lawn. Maybe I should take a stroll. And to me that's alright. To me that's alright. I spend my days just dreaming about you. Well, now that's just what I will do. I'm telling you, the sky is blue, the sun is high. I'm sitting here on my own. I think of you, you're on my mind, you know. To me that's alright. Green grass on my neighbor's lawn. Maybe I should take a stroll. And to me that's alright. You know, to me that's alright.
So we went out, like as you guys saw, we went out to look for something to eat, not knowing in that area by 11 p.m. everywhere was closed. So we came back. I was just so hungry, guys. I was hungry, eating chips and strawberries. That's what I ate that night. You can see my face. I was very hungry, but I had some work to do. in my laptop, so I was just going through my laptop to do one or two things. And this time you see me is very, very late. This should be around 2 a.m. in the morning, and I'm eating my strawberry. My hubby is far asleep, but I need to do so many things because my hands were really, really tight. I have a lot of job to do. Just took my time to finish up before I went to bed.
You're stronger now than you ever been. You gotta leave now, it's time to catch the wind. You will climb up high and look through the clouds. And when you're feeling low, I know you'll bounce back. Oh, and just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you.
So this is my hotel morning routine that you guys will see from here. I was sleeping. That light you see is from outside. This really disturbed me because I was so tired. I really needed to sleep. I woke up late that day because I was so tired. You guys should just watch me all I do when I wake up in my hotel room.
Ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love.
Went to my phone because prayers that I pray with in the morning, especially Rhapsody of Reality, I like it so much. So I'm just reading all the Bible texts before praying.
Climb to be right by your side, right by your side. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose.
You guys can see I was so tired because I slept very late that day.
You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for crazy for love. Crazy for love. I found a miracle, I found the dream. Living is beautiful with you and me. I found a miracle, I found the dream. Living is beautiful.
My workout time.
I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for. You know I'm crazy for, crazy for love, crazy for. You know I'm crazy for, crazy for love.
I thought the light was too bright, so I had to close the blinds. not knowing it was okay. That's why you see that the blinds are closed and the lighting was a little bit dark.
Why did you run from me now? Oh, I used to treat you right. I used to be your life. Tell me, what did you run from? Tell me, why did you run from me now? Oh, see,
It's not bad time.
same outcome. Don't know how I treated you wrong. Maybe that's it. I treated you poorly, made you great.
After taking my bath, dressed up, and you can see me dancing. This is me. If you know me, I like dancing. Even if I know I don't know how to dance, but I always dance. Even at home, I do this all the time, feeling myself. You can see I'm gorgeous because I know I am beautiful. The girl is beautiful.
But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good, feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh.
As at this time, the time has gone far. I was supposed to go downstairs to take breakfast, but they closed by 10. By this time, it was already to 12. Guys, it was already to 12, so I couldn't eat downstairs. So I was just preparing something since they had tea and I have some chips with me, so I took that as my breakfast. Still in front of my laptop trying to do some things because I have a lot of work to do, like I told you guys. So I'm just in front of my laptop while I'm taking my breakfast, working at the same time. That is the real life, guys.
Whirling high up in the sky, oh, it's the way you make me feel so good, feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good, oh.
So I just leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you guys for stopping by. I hope you like it. The journey will not end here. You guys are going to see part 2 of this vlog, because from here I'm traveling to another place which I'm going to film like I promised you guys. So that is it. I hope you like this coming with me on my holidays. Please, if it's your first time, you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. And please, before you go, if you like this video, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button? And I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, I love you guys. As always, stay gorgeous. Bye. Mwah. Enjoy. Bye. Oh, Merci. C'est combien tout?
Je sais pas.
T'as pas? T'as pas?
And the lights are out, you stumble in the dark. You kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life goes slow, just you're stronger now than you ever been. You gotta leave now, it's time to catch the wind. You will climb up high